Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 2.3 of Unit 2, Currency Pairs. In this lesson, we're going to cover currency pair nicknames. By the end of this video, you will understand why these nicknames matter and how to recognize them. Let's get into it. Let's start with the pound sterling to US dollar pair, also known as cable. This nickname comes from the submarine cable laid across the Atlantic in 1858, which enabled rapid communication between the UK and the US. Just like how this cable connected two countries, the pound sterling to US dollar pair connects two major economies. The euro to US dollar pair is often called fiber, which is an upgrade joke on the cable nickname. Just like how fiber optic cables are faster and more modern than submarine cables, the euro to US dollar pair is a more modern and widely traded currency pair. The Australian dollar to US dollar pair is commonly known as the Aussie. This nickname comes from the fact that the Australian dollar is the currency of Australia, and Aussie is a colloquial term for something or someone from Australia. The NZD/USD pair is often called the Kiwi. This nickname comes from the fact that the Kiwi bird is a national symbol of New Zealand, and Kiwi is also a colloquial term for something or someone from New Zealand. The US dollar to Swiss franc pair is commonly known as the Swissy. This nickname comes from the fact that the Swiss franc is the currency of Switzerland, and Swissy is a colloquial term for something or someone from Switzerland. The US dollar to Canadian dollar pair is often called the Loonie. This nickname comes from the fact that the Canadian dollar coin features a picture of a loon bird, and loonie is a colloquial term for the Canadian dollar. The pound sterling to Japanese yen pair is commonly known as the Guppy. This nickname is a combination of the GU from GBP and the PPY from JPY, and is widely used in the trading community. The euro to Japanese yen pair is often called the Yuppy. This nickname is similar to the Guppy nickname and is a combination of the U from euro and the PPY from JPY. So why do these nicknames matter? Traders use them constantly, and being able to recognize them can help you communicate more effectively with other traders and stay up to date with market news and analysis. In conclusion, currency pair nicknames are an important part of the trading community, and being able to recognize them can help you communicate more effectively and stay up to date with market news and analysis. That is everything for Lesson 2.3, Currency Pair Nicknames. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.